Alright, I suddenly got some get up and go. So, here's a video of the new place. This is the garage. You can see what shape it's in. Just had them put a new breaker panel and then run the electricity from the house to the garage. Right there. And that's my cute little door. At the moment, the only way into the garage, because the doors are broken, the big ones. The window, tree's got to get cut down because that is going to be the doorway to my workshop. There. Window into the workshop. You'll see in a few minutes. I'll take you inside, but for now, show you the outside. This wall here needs seriously fixed. I don't know if you can see down in there, there's a hole in the wall. The wall just needs almost completely redone. So there's the concrete base of the wall that has fallen off the old timbers they used. So this whole corner needs replaced actually. Anyway, we'll get there. So that's it. Little, I don't know, I keep finding little things in the yard and I keep putting them here. You can see there's a Godzilla, a little dinosaur, and some other bones, just for the hell of it. And here's the old box with a thing was scary looking. Anyway, and here's my little door. And let's let the thing, well, I guess didn't need to anyway. So here we have fence posts and fencing that will go in the yard over there, not as far as the car and the boat and stuff, but right behind this line of trees is a little hill, and then there's the rest of our yard. We don't know how far back it goes yet. We'll figure that out. Anyway, here's my scary garage. All the boats got to get moved, hung somewhere. But right now, today, I've been moving them so that the garage door guy can come and put in new doors and all new door openers. Anyway, while I blather on, here's all the stuff. So I was dumb and just ran over and opened that up. I was very lucky that it had no smell at all. So anyway, it's just stuff that was in here plus our stuff that we've added. And this is my back room. You can see dirt floor covered with plywood. The mess here. Whoever was here before left a ladder. A little grow tent there. Well, big grow tent there. Plenty of other stuff. There's a mirror over there. Hi. Yeah, messed up wall, gotta fix that. And that's where the door is, where that tree is that I gotta cut down. So, and there's some beefy, I don't know what they are, shocks, something like that. For, I don't know what. Anyway, so over here, you can see the holes in the wall. There, it all needs fixed, so I have a lot of work to do. This is all dirty, all yucky stuff. This is sagging. right there. So that's what all needs replaced. Hopefully there's not any mold in here. I haven't noticed any, but that doesn't mean it's not here. So anyway, there's no lights in here. I had to bring out my light and plug it into the jackery here. I'll turn it over. So that's what the wall looks like. Oh, I don't even know if I looked in here once. No, no magic genie lamps. Just what's on, I don't know, a filter of some kind. But we got all these fluorescent lights here. I hate them. I need to get rid of them. And I have 6 of these to install in this room. So I don't know what other stuff up here. Anyway, you can see it's a mess. It needs an actual floor. It needs a wall fixed. It needs another wall and a corner and part of the roof fixed. So there's a good amount of work in here before I can actually set up out here. I don't even know what's under there. I'm almost afraid to look. Anyway, yeah, stuff. So as I get things moving, I will take pictures and little videos, probably starting with whatever I set up indoors in the temporary grossly pink room. So there you have it, folks. The Neurospicy Leatherman's Spicy Shop. Have a good one. Peace.